Ever wondered why some people who are extremely paranoid often seem to believe they're far more important than they actually are? It's a fascinating yet complex relationship between paranoid thinking and delusions of grandeur. So, let's delve into this psychological conundrum together. In the realm of psychology, there's a captivating case study of a man named John. John was an average guy, but his thought process was anything but ordinary. He was often plagued by irrational fears of being watched, tracked, and conspired against. These fears were so intense that they interfered with his daily life. However, in a twist of irony, John also believed he possessed exceptional qualities and abilities that set him apart from everyone else. He was convinced that he was destined for greatness, and that he was the subject of intense scrutiny due to his perceived extraordinary abilities. This is a classic example of the intriguing interplay between paranoid thinking and delusions of grandeur. Paranoid thinking, characterized by excessive fear and suspicion, often leads individuals to believe they're the center of malevolent plots. On the other hand, delusions of grandeur, a belief in one's exceptional importance or abilities, can fuel this paranoia, reinforcing the idea that they're significant enough to be the target of such plots. John's story illustrates this connection quite vividly. His paranoia led him to believe that he was constantly being watched, a fear which only seemed rational to him due to his delusions of grandeur. After all, in his mind, why wouldn't everyone be interested in his extraordinary life? This is the cyclical nature of paranoid thinking and delusions of grandeur. They feed off each other, creating a psychological loop that can be difficult to break. In conclusion, the link between paranoid thinking and delusions of grandeur is a complex and intriguing aspect of human psychology. The case of John demonstrates how these two psychological phenomena can intertwine, creating a self-perpetuating cycle of irrational fear and inflated self-importance. The key takeaway here is that paranoid thinking and delusions of grandeur often go hand in hand. One feeds into the other, creating a cycle that can significantly impact an individual's perception of reality. Understanding this link can provide valuable insights into certain psychological conditions and potentially pave the way for more effective treatment strategies. Remember, the mind is a fascinating landscape full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The relationship between paranoid thinking and delusions of grandeur is just one of these many intriguing phenomena. So, continue to explore, question, and learn. After all, understanding the human mind is one of the greatest adventures one can embark on.